Hello, this is Io from AstraeaKeva. Today I did some study. I would say I have a little bit of a crisis. This is like my collection of references, which are quite funny, but let me check. I started this in 2022. So I created kind of this AstraeaKeva reference collection in 2022, and I have not used any of my references. There are a lot. So I decided I'm just going to draw anything. So today I decided to draw the first reference, which happens to be this. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, bye.
I can't fight this feeling when you give me those eyes. Yeah, baby, you control me, and I need to find your loving, baby. Baby, you on my mind, and I'll give you my body. Don't know what I'm doing, feel like I am going crazy. Keep it down, keep it down. You look good, you know it. I can tell you're soaking up all of it now. Listen to what I say, let's get to it that way.